Top 3 exercises that could help increase life expectancy and improve your overall quality of life.
Number 3. Walking. Researchers at Brigham Young University who studied the DNA of nearly 6,000 adults found that 150 minutes or more of walking each week increased life expectancy by about 7 years over those who are sedentary. Number 2. Mobility, stretching, and breathwork. Dr. Khalsa, an associate professor of medicine at Harvard Medical School, claims that you can influence gene activity and regulate cancer cell growth through lifestyle modifications. At a cellular and molecular level, stretching and breathwork can ignite significant change. Number 1. Weight training and body weight exercises. Maintaining muscle strength throughout life, and especially later in life, is extremely important for longevity and aging independently. According to research by the University of Michigan, it was found that people with low muscle strength are 50% more likely to pass earlier than their stronger peers. Life is not only about the amount of years you live, it's how you're living those years. Are you living life to its full potential, or is your health holding you back?
Let's be real here. Any form of exercise can help increase life expectancy and improve your quality of life. Do what you enjoy. I know I'm going to keep staying active for the rest of my life. I hope you will too. There are so many beautiful things to experience.